Creating the best FAQ in Wix is very easy to do. Today I am going to show you how to do it. First of all, open Google Chrome. Then type Wix in the search bar. Afterward, click on the link that leads to the Wix website. A Wix website can have a variety of characteristics that contribute to its design, functionality, and overall user experience. Notably, Wix is renowned for its user-friendly drag-and-drop website builder. This feature empowers you to seamlessly add and arrange various elements on your website without needing coding skills. Furthermore, you have the option to create a dedicated FAQs or help center page, providing valuable information and support to your visitors. Now, proceed by clicking on the Get Started button when the Wix dashboard opens. Afterward, you will need to link your Google account to log into the Wix website. You can input your email and password here. Following that, click on the Sign Up button. Alternatively, you can opt to click on the Continue with Google button. Upon adding your account, you'll find yourself in the Wix website editing dashboard. Click on the Site and App button. Next, select Website, and then proceed to click on the Edit Site button. This action will open the editing window. When the editing dashboard is opened, you can see here a lot of buttons. The Page button in Wix refers to the section of the editor where you can manage your website's pages, including adding new pages, organizing their order, adjusting settings, and more. The Add Apps button in Wix is a feature that allows you to enhance the functionality of your website by integrating third-party applications or services. These apps can add various features and capabilities to your site without requiring you to code or develop them from scratch. The Media button is often used to add and manage various types of media elements on your website. These media elements can include images, videos, audio files, galleries, and more. Navigate to the Page button and select Add Page. With a page successfully added, click on the Add Elements button. Here, you can introduce a heading 1 element for the purpose of creating a prominent heading. You can insert text into the heading, align it to the center, adjust its color by clicking on the color option, select a desired color, bold the text, and even apply italics and underline formatting. Additionally, you have the ability to include a paragraph element. In this section, you can write relevant content such as frequently asked questions. Another paragraph element can be added. You can write similar content, such as frequently asked questions. To further enhance the page structure, click on the Add Section button, then select Welcome. Drag and drop this element onto the page and adjust its placement. Moving forward, click on the Add Apps button. In the search bar, type Wix and select the appropriate option. Click on the Add Wix button. Upon doing so, the section will be integrated into the page. You can edit this section as needed. If desired, you can remove the title by clicking on the Title section and toggling off the Show Title button. Additionally, you have the option to eliminate the search bar by toggling off the respective button. Editing this section involves clicking on the Edit Ask Me button. After making the necessary adjustments, click on the Preview button. As a result, you will see that the FAQ section has been successfully created within the Wix website. Feel free to add more elements and customize the FAQ page according to your specific requirements. And it's done. This is how you can create the best FAQ in Wix.